Do you know what it is?
Pakai Kris.
Hello everyone, I'm Luis. I'm recently made finalist at an Indonesian government hackathon run by the Financial Service Authority. That experience got me close to how payment actually work in Indonesia. And that is exactly what I built QRIS. Indonesia has these things called QRIS. It is national QR payment standard. 42 million merchants use it. Street food, taxis, malls. You can scan, you can pay. Done. No cash needed. And it is expanding fast. QRIS now works across Southeast Asia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, even part of the China, Japan, and Korea. And this is a massive, growing payment network. But here's the problem. If you are a tourist visiting Indonesia and your money is in crypto, you are stuck. You have to download. You have to cash out through exchange with bad rates. ATM charge you the lowest exchange rate. You might get scammed at money changer. You know it, right? And even if you convert to local currency, you still can't access apps like GoPay or Indonesia banking apps to use QRIS. There are crypto cards, sure, but most local merchants don't have Visa terminal. They just have a QR code on their wall. QRIS fixed this. You can scan any QRIS code with your phone, deposit crypto from your wallet, and Chainlink CRE handle everything else. Here is what CRE does for us. It validates your deposit on-chain in real time. It fetches the last forex rate so you pay at the real exchange, no markup. It settles the fiat payment to the merchant through Indonesian banking rail inside a trusted execution environment so no one, not even the Oracle nodes, can see the merchant data. It writes a cryptographic proof back on-chain that payment was complete. The merchant get their money in local currency. You paid in crypto and zero merchant data ever touches the blockchain, only hash. Okay, so right now, let me show you how it works. First, I connect my wallet first. I'm on Base Sepolia testnet. And after the connected wallet, I go to the lending or payment page. I can scan any QRIS code. You can scan QRIS 42 million merchant in Indonesia or everywhere, but it is work. But let me use a real one of this. And yeah, I go to the scanning and I just scan my QRIS things. This is the real QRIS one. And the up part, the QRIS show me the merchant name, amount in Indonesia rupiah. This data is encrypted with AES-256 before it leaves my device. I pick my token. I can pay directly based on Base Sepolia with it, USDC or USDT, but I also have the option to switch to Ethereum Sepolia and pay using Chainlink CCIP, which breaks my token cross-chain to the vault on Base. So even my funds are on a different chain, I can still pay any QRIS merchant. The app fetches the live ETH USDC price from Chainlink price feed and convert the IDR amount to crypto at the real-time forex rate. First, but right now I will show you how it actually works when I use in Base Sepolia and Sepolia things. I confirm the deposit first in the Base Sepolia. The smart contract stores only hash commitments, a hash of the payment ID, a hash of the QRIS content, no plain text. Now, CRE takes over. The lock trigger picks up the payment deposit event. The workflow fetches the encrypted QRIS from our relay, get the forex rate, and settle fiat to the merchant via Doku Banking API, all inside a TEE. Done. The payment is confirmed, and look at this split view. On the left, what is on-chain just has and a status code. On the right, the actually merchant detail. That is exactly on my device. That is the privacy guarantee. And on our landing page, anyone can see the live proof of reserve, total reserve in the vault, outstanding payments, and the solvency ratio, all powered by the CRE, updating our custom privates every 10 minutes. And I will show you the Chainlink CCIP that I can pay in Sepolia things. We do the same thing like this. You scan the QRIS, put the amount, and just pick the Sepolia things, and after that we need to waiting the Chainlink CCIP success. We need to waiting around 15 or 20 minutes in here, and after the success we run the CRE in CLI to confirm of this, and I will show you of this, and after that it's same, done. Already the payment is confirmed. You can see the what is on chain and the actually merchants details and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's it. QRIS. Can any QRIS pay with crypto settled by CRE? Privacy first, real time rates, zero merchant data on chain. Check our repo. Thanks for watching.